Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you the new bag that I bought from Louis Vuitton, the Petit sack Plat. I think that's the name. Yes, I recently just bought, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing video with you. So here is the beauty in the bag, and let's just get started. So here it is. Looks pretty small, and I'm just gonna unboxing it right now. Here it is. Open this sticker. Dust bag. And here it is. Here is this baby. This is the Louis Vuitton Petit sack Plat. And there's a strap inside. So here is the baby. Here you go. Now you can see what it looks like when I hold it. It's pretty small and it's so cute. So I wasn't planning to buy this because I was thinking to buy a big tote bag since I have kids and you know, whenever I go out, I need to pack a lot of stuff. So a big tote bag is really something that I'm looking for. However, when I go to the store, you know, Louis Vuitton store in our area is always the one who has a long line outside. So I was there and I'm like, I want to try my luck to see if they have this in stock since it's out of stock on their website. So I was just really lucky and they told me this is the last one they have. Well, you know, it could be a lie or anything, but I don't care. I'm actually happy to hear that this is the last bag. So now I'm gonna show you the strap that comes with it. Well, it's actually pretty thin, but I mean, well, it makes sense to go with a small bag like this. But honestly, since the wider shoulder strap is really popular, I would love actually to get a wider one if they have. But for this bag, it does not come with that kind, the shoulder strap. But you can absolutely buy one from Louis Vuitton. I have done some research on that. I think I might go with that one, but that one itself costs a couple of $100. So I need to think about that. So I'm gonna show you where to put the strap. I mean, it's pretty obvious that there are like two pointy things on both sides of the bag, and this is where you put it here, and the other side goes it's in here. All right, so I think the length is not that bad. So I'm 5'4", so it looks like this. Or, you know, I like to have a crossbody bag to hang right next to my waistline. I think this is perfect for my height. So now I'm gonna show you what's inside the bag. What could fit inside a bag. So you can see inside there's a pocket. You can put some cards or important stuff in there. And I'm gonna show you what can be put in. So this is a wallet. You can put it in easily, and there's still some space. And then this is my husband's phone. So here we go. Whoop. Okay, I can put that in easily, and of course lipstick. There's still space for that, and the key. Yeah, that fit. So as you can see, with everything inside, this bag is still in really good shape. This is just kind of bag that won't have crease easily. So that's why I like it a lot. It looked like a book tote, small book tote. Very cute. And I also feel like it's pretty tight inside, but not tight in a bad way, but it make me feel safe that it's not that slippery, that things will not be easily slip out. So it's perfect for daily use, just for your essentials, of course. So the cost for this bag is $1,360. I think it's kind of on a higher range for a mini bag from Louis Vuitton. You can see the Speedy Nano Speedy bag is around 1,000, 100 kind of thing. But for that bag, you will never get it. It's just so hard to get it. It's out like everywhere. So this is my review for the Louis Vuitton Petit Plat bag. I definitely recommend this bag to anybody who love mini bags and just need your essential when you go out. So I can post some photos of me wearing this bag in different outfits later. You can check them out. And if you have other questions or comments on this, please feel free to leave me a note. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.